Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the router label and noting the admin credentials. This saves time. Once connected by Ethernet or the current Wi-Fi, open your browser and type the router IP, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. When prompted, enter the admin username and password. If defaults fail, try common combos printed on the device. Make sure to use a device with stable network access, so settings apply immediately and you don't lock yourself out. Once inside the router interface, go to the wireless or Wi-Fi section to change security settings. Choose WPA2 PSK or WPA3 for modern routers. Avoid WEP because it's insecure. Then type a strong passphrase. Aim for 12 or more characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols so it resists guessing. Make sure to apply or save changes. The router may restart. If you have a separate 4 GHz and 5 GHz SSID, repeat steps for both to secure every band. After saving the new Wi-Fi password, reboot the router if it doesn't do so automatically. Then reconnect each device using the updated passphrase. You'll want to update devices one at a time so you don't lose connectivity across the household. Make sure the SSID you connect to matches the one you configured. If you can't access the admin page or forget the admin password, perform a factory reset using the device's reset button and reconfigure security from scratch. Remember that erases all custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.